All right, so I'm recording. So look, if you decide, again, this is preference here, what your brain registers faster or better. If you want to use the arithmetic, this is a C, sequence, you use that a sub n, the first term, n minus 1d, but you have to clean it up for 100% of the credit. You still get credit for this though. It's still very, very good, okay? But you have to clean it up, right? Simplified. Okay, if you do the explicit form off the linear pattern of that y equal mx plus b, you just have to come up with a zero term and it beautifully lands and you're done. So the left is less work, but you have to know how to get the zero term, which means you have to know how to inverse operate, okay? So we'll do the short way first, and then I'll do the long way, and I'll clean it up. And again, it's tomato, tomato. It's whatever you prefer, okay? All right, so look. If 28 is the first term, that's A1, right? A sub 1. I need the zeroth term for that y-intercept, because you have to know if you want to use slope-intercept form, you need the point where the line crosses the y-axis. That's why the zeroth term is non-negotiable. So if this is 28 and it's going up by 10, so here this would be 38 because I would go up, up 10. What would I go backwards? Right, and so Isaiah gave me the answer. It's 18. And so that's your zeroth term, which means that is your y-intercept, which that's your b. So then the slope is that common difference. So this 10 is that common difference. And then, what did I use? Orange, so we'll go blue. And this 18 is your b. And so if you just right? If you were to give me y equal 10x plus 18, it's good, but we don't want that. We want sequence variables. You're not wrong, though. Yeah? Okay, if you want to do the arithmetic sequence form, our first term is 28, n minus 1. My common difference is 10, and you just now simplify, which means I distributive property, I have to multiply that 10. So a sub n is 28 plus 10n minus 10. And so look, you're doing that anyways. You add 10, we subtract 10, and there's that 10 that we do in our heads here. And so there's your 10n plus 18. And you get the exact same explicit form. So if you ever get stuck, start with the arithmetic sequence or the geometric sequence formula that I'll give you today and tomorrow. Simplify it, clean it up, distribute. You'll get the same from your linear or exponential pattern. You get the same thing. Yeah? Okay, I'll leave you guys alone for today because that's essentially the first front of the worksheet, and then tomorrow we'll clean up the back side. Yeah? You guys are almost done writing. Okay, I'm shutting it off. I think you guys are done.